and welcome to another math tutorial. This video is just simply going to be some extra practice problems on graphing linear functions. If you need the full video that details all the content in this lesson, I encourage you to watch the previous video in this playlist. Otherwise, if you've already watched that and you just need some extra practice problems to view, then you can go ahead and continue this video. All right, the first example problem, we are going to be graphing this linear function in standard form by finding the x and y intercept. As with all of my extra practice videos, it might be a great idea to pause the video, try this on your own first, and then just kind of advance the video or play through it to watch the solution and to check your answer at the end. So I'm going to assume you've done that, and I'm going to proceed with solving this problem. So the x and y intercepts, the x-intercept, to find the x-intercept, we just take the x part of this equation and we set it equal to the constant 45. So we're going to divide both sides by 5. We get x equals 9. So our x-intercept is the point 90. And the y-intercept, we're going to take the x out and we'll have negative 15y equals 45. Divide by negative 15, we get y equals negative 3. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 3. So we're going to have a point out here at 9, 0, point here at 0, negative 3, and then we can connect those points with a line and we'll be all finished. All right, this next example problem is asking us to put the equation in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to solve it for y. I'm going to take this 3x, I'm going to move it to this side by subtracting it. So we'll have negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 12. I'm going to divide all terms by negative 4. I like to write this step out because I don't want to mess this up with the signs. And have y equals, so negative divided by negative becomes positive, and that doesn't reduce, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And then positive divided by negative is negative, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this line is going to start at the point negative 3 on the y-axis, and the slope 3/4 means that I'm going to go up 3 and right 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we could also do that slope. We could go down and left. It's on the same line. Down 3, left 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 3, left 1, 2, 3, 4. So that works too, and you can see that those definitely are falling on the same line. And that's it. All right, our last example problem is asking us to graph the line given a point on the line and the slope. So the point on the line is negative 4, negative 2. I'm going to start right there. Now, slope is undefined, so we need to know that when we have an undefined slope, that is a vertical line. So since I've got my starting point, I just need a vertical line right there going through that point. So there it is. The equation of that line, I know we're not asked for the equation, but I'll just go and write it anyway. The equation of that line is x equals negative 4. Remember, the equations of a vertical line are just simply where the line crosses the x-axis. Okay, that concludes this extra practice video. I hope you found these extra example problems helpful. If you still have questions, please drop them in the comment sections below. If not, I encourage you to give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. I'll see you in the next video.